when you want to compose an email, you will find 4 options: to, CC, BCC and add subject. We always feel confused what is to, CC and BCC and what is the difference between them. Here, to means where you want to send the email directly. You are ordering directly or you are informing directly which person in the to. Here, let me show you an example. If you want to send an email, the subject is complete the sales target and you are sending this email to the person who are the salesman in your area. Just you are writing their mail address in 2 sections and you can send it, but you want that manager should know about this. So in CC means carbon copy, so you want that manager should know about this task. So you are not ordering your manager, but you are ordering the salesman 1, salesman 2, but manager knows the things because he is in the CC. If anyone replies from the to, CC can see it easily. So now we know that what is to and CC and what is the difference between them. But what is BCC? Here is BCC means blind carbon copy. Blind. So why this is blind? If you write any email, let me show you an example. Here I have written 3 email, buyer 1, buyer 2, buyer 3. Now if I want to send a offer letter various buyer, so I will keep them in BCC because I don't want that buyer 1 can see buyer 2 or buyer 2 can see buyer 3. So we also confirm it that buyer 1, buyer 2, buyer 3 should not see each other and the person who are in BCC who cannot see who is in 2. So if a person reply a mail from BCC, other BCC person will not see it. This BCC option used various reason. If you want to send some greeting via email, so if you write it in 2 sections, suppose you wrote 50 email in 2 sections and send some greeting, happy holiday. If anyone replies, then 50% will see that, but we don't want that. If anyone replies, only the sender should see it. So we can easily understand that CC means carbon copy, the same copy which is sending the person up to. BCC means blind carbon copy. BCC cannot see each other or cannot reply each other. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.